Welcome to the future of computing. Introducing the new Windows laptop computer, where power meets performance and innovation knows no bounds. Get ready to embark on a journey of limitless possibilities. With its 16GB DDR4 RAM and lightning-fast 512GB M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD, this laptop redefines speed and efficiency. Say goodbye to lagging applications and hello to seamless multitasking. Powered by the latest Intel N95 processor, this laptop delivers unparalleled performance. Whether you're editing videos, designing graphics, or gaming with friends, its sleek design and lightweight construction make it the perfect companion for work or play. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals with the 15.6-inch FHD IPS LCD 180-degree screen. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or fine-tuning your latest project, every detail comes to life with vibrant colors and crisp clarity. And with the backlit keyboard, you can stay productive even in low-light environments. Your security is our top priority. With the built-in fingerprint reader, you can rest assured that your sensitive data remains safe and secure. Say goodbye to cumbersome passwords and hello to hassle-free authentication. Connectivity is key in today's digital world, and this laptop delivers. With USB-A ports, you can easily connect all your favorite peripherals, from external hard drives to gaming controllers. And with upgrade options available for up to 9.5 terabytes of storage, you'll never have to worry about running out of space again. Experience the ultimate in performance and versatility with the new Windows laptop computer. Upgrade your computing experience today and unleash your full potential. Don't wait, seize the future now. Visit our website to learn more and make your purchase today. The future awaits. Are you ready to embrace it?